Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. Today, we're going to look at how to erase your Facebook search history. So, to start with, you're going to navigate to your Facebook page and top right hand corner, click on your profile and go down to settings and privacy. From there, you're going to click on activity log and we're going to look for search history. So you should see it here, but if you don't, you can type in search history here and it will come up. So I'm going to click on my search history. So from there in the top right, you can see clear searches. So I'm going to click on that and it will clear my Facebook search history. Nothing to show there. So I hope that was helpful. Please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.